Hello everyone, this is Mr. J, and it is Tuesday, December the 13th, 2022, okay? It's the second day of the week, and hopefully you've gotten over the Monday blues and you're ready to start working hard in that, okay? Today's news is debatable, definitely debatable news. Foreign ownership of South Korean land rises 1.2%. Okay, 1.2%. All right. So, first of all, in case you don't understand, foreign ownership means that it's non-Koreans, right? I have permanent residency in Korea. I have an F5 visa. So I can live here forever, but I'm not Korean. So I would also be foreign ownership, and I own Korean land too, so I'm part of that. If you look here, 2022, you see that the amount of land, square miles, right? Square miles has gone up and up, right? And so I guess it's gone up 1.2%. But still, I know lots of Koreans seem upset. I know people telling me, "Oh, Jeju is being bought out by Chinese," and things like this. So some people might not like this, but if you look here, it still represents only 0.26% of the total land area, right? So that means that it's not a huge amount, right? I know, and then a lot of people think it's mainly Chinese, but it's not. Americans hold about 50% of all land, and then Chinese are only near about 8% or so. See, there's no Canadians here, I guess. I'm sorry, here, let me go back. I'm one of the few Canadians, I guess, who own land in South Korea, not that much, but so it's still not a huge amount of land, right? I know a lot of people think that foreigners own a lot of land in Korea, but it's not that big. It's not a big piece of the pie. So whether or not this is good or bad, I guess it's debatable. There are benefits of owning a foreign ownership of land in Korea. So if you don't know what it is, look it up, and I might ask you what it is. Okay. All right. Let us jump over and check our weather. Okay. How's the weather today?
It'll be cloudy, with a high of 10 and a low of -2. Right now it's 9 and mostly cloudy.
Okay, cloudy, high of 10, -2. You don't need to write down the low, but it's definitely getting colder. There's supposed to be rain and snow coming soon to Korea. So for Toyota, that probably means rain, but -2, you definitely better wear some warm clothes. And then what about tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 4 and a low of -2.
Okay, so still low of -2, but high of 4, so the high is getting lower, partly cloudy. So especially with no sun or little sun, it might feel colder. So yeah, if you're working outside, you better have gloves on, I think. All right, our word of the day is easy enough.
Compadre.
Compadre. And it's just a close friend or buddy, right? A close friend or buddy. It's a very easy definition, right? You're gonna go with chingu, all right? And I think it comes from Mexican, actually. So a lot of English speakers will use this word, but originally it's Mexican, or Spanish, I guess. Yes, they use Spanish in Mexico. And there's 1, 2, 3 syllables, emphasis on the second syllable. Dre, padre, and compadre. So if you speak Spanish, I guess this is easy for you. Compadre. Let's see.
Compadre.
He's
compadre.
I've known him for
compadre.
years, right?
Compadre.
Right? And that's it. Easy enough, all right? Lots of different countries have different words for friend, right? Friend, compadre, and in Australia, I think they use mate. So if you know any other words for friend, let me know, okay? All right, so we talked about compadre, which is another word for friend. We talked about the weather. It's getting colder, minus, right? It's going below 0. And we talked about the news, which is there's higher foreign ownership of Korean land, which is a debatable subject, right? You might think it's good or bad, but I want to know what you think, whether it's good or bad or not, okay? All right, guys, I hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.